A warm hello to all the learners. Welcome to the new lecture of Group Theory Modern Algebra. Our today's topic is binary operation. Binary operation. In this video, we will see what is binary operation. Let me first write the definition of binary operation. Then we will see by an example what is binary operation. The definition is, let A be a set, a binary operation on the set A, say star, is a function that map each ordered pair of elements of A to an element of A. It means star is a function from A cross A, means Cartesian product of A and A to A. Then in this case, we will call that the function star is a binary operation. Now, what is the definition? Let A is any set. A binary operation on the set A is a function that map each ordered pair of elements of A to an element of A. What is a function? A function is a relation that corresponds to each element of the domain to a unique element in the codomain. If we have the elements in the codomain have the unique pre-image in the domain, then in this case the relation is called a function. So a binary operation is a function from A cross A to A. Now I will explain the binary operation by an example. Let us take the set of natural numbers. The set of natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and I am taking operation as addition. If I ask you that if I am taking any two elements from the set of natural numbers, let A and B both are natural numbers, any natural numbers. If we add these natural numbers, then what will be the resultant? What will be the result? Is it again a natural number or not? If I add A and B, then we know that the sum of two natural numbers is again a natural number. So if we add A and B, it will be again a natural number. It means we have addition such that it maps n cross n to n. If I take any two natural numbers and I operate A and B, I am getting again a natural number. So this addition is a binary operation in case of natural numbers, because if we add any two natural numbers, I am again getting a natural number. But if I take operation of subtraction, if I take the operation subtraction, now in this case I am taking any two natural numbers like 5 and 4. Both are natural numbers. Now, if I subtract 5 from 4, I will get -1, which is not a natural number. So in this case, we are getting a number which is not a natural number. Therefore, subtraction is not a binary operation in case of natural numbers. So this is very simple and very important example for binary operation. We have seen that the addition is binary operation in case of natural number, but the operation subtraction is not a binary operation. So in the simple statement, we can say that the binary operation is a function from A cross A to A. Now I am writing some symbols that will help you in the upcoming lectures of group theory. First symbol is N. This N symbol is set of natural numbers. R. This R represents set of real numbers. Q. Set of rational numbers. Q complement. Set of irrational numbers. C. Set of complex numbers. Z. Set of integers. Zn. Set of addition modulo n, means 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. These are some important symbols for upcoming classes of group theory. I hope you have enjoyed the video of binary operation. In the next video, we will see what is a group.